مجمع الأندلس التعليمي، تعلم عصري ملهم بهوية وطنية وقيم إسلامية.
Assalamu alaikum, my students, and welcome to the third lesson, the third distance learning lesson. Our lesson today is mainly about vocabulary. We've got to learn nearly 8 new words. The first word to learn today is bake in the oven. To bake in the oven means to cook by dry heat, especially in an oven. For example, my mother baked a cake in the oven. The housemaid is baking sweet pastry now. So this is the meaning of the first word, that is bake in the oven. Now look at the second word. The second word, that is cut. Cut means to divide into parts. To cut means to divide into parts. Now look at the picture. In this picture you can find a cook. A cook is cutting an orange. He is cutting an orange. Cut means he is dividing the orange into two parts or into many parts. So this is the meaning of the word cook. He is cutting an orange with a knife. The third word to learn today is stir. To stir means to mix. To mix. He is stirring the sugar. He is stirring the soup. To stir. To stir means to mix. In this picture, you can see somebody who is stirring the soup into the pan. The fourth word to learn today is peel. To peel means to remove the outer layer. She is peeling a potato peel. To peel an orange, to peel a lemon, to peel a potato, to peel pineapple, peel, peel. The fifth word, boil. Boil water, for example. Boil means to generate bubbles of water vapor. To heat water or a liquid until it generates bubbles of water vapor. Boil. Boil water. Boil. The picture shows a liquid that is boiling at the moment, boiling. Boil water. Then add. Add. The following word is add. To add means to combine, or put more. To combine or put more. Would you please add 1 spoonful of sugar to my tea? Add. Add. To add, look at the picture. Someone is adding pepper into the pan. He is adding salt into the meal. Add. To add. Add. Add means to add means to combine or put more. Then pour. Pour. To pour means to dispense from a container. The man poured drinks for everyone. The man poured drinks for everyone. Pour some coffee for me, please. Pour. Then grate. Grate means to reduce to small parts by rubbing into something rough. To grate. She is grating the carrot. She is grating the carrot to make salad. The cook is grating the cheese into the pizza. The cook is grating the cheese into the pie to make pizza. Grate. Then the following word is melt. Melt. The following word is melt. Melt means to be changed from a solid to a liquid. To melt. The sugar melted in the coffee. Now the butter is melted in the pan. Melt. To melt means to be changed from a solid to be a liquid. Melt. Now, my students, it's your turn to do this worksheet in your own. Directions. You have to guess the cooking verb through reading the definitions. Number 1. To cook something in the oven, such as bread or cake. Which word matches this definition? Number 2. To heat water until it is very hot. Number 3. To cook in oil. Number 4. To remove the skin of a vegetable or a fruit with a knife or a tool. Number 5. To cut food such as cheese into lots of small pieces with the use of a special tool called a grater. Now you've got to do these words on your own. Thank you for listening.